for breakfast? Huh? Hey, Marty. Yeah, you already had some. Hi. Hello. Hi, Mart. I'll be right out, okay? Hi, these guys are bumping my arm and my camera, and yeah, I'm coming. Don't give up on me. Here's Stripey and Morris and Tux. Yours is up here. Come on. I know, but this is you. Come on. Tux, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. 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 There you go. If you just wouldn't hop down right when I come out the door, it'll all be good, bud. It'll all be good. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. There's your food, bud. Let me go feed Marty. Yeah, Marty's hungry. Hi, Morris. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. It wasn't really supposed to rain much until 1 p.m. And it's not raining right now, but we did have enough rain already today to wet the ground. Good news is it's supposed to be out of the area by 8-ish tonight, so people that want to celebrate New Year's will. That's fine if they're downtown. That's not good if they're my neighbor and they're outside. I can deal for 2 nights a year, 4th of July and New Year's. Just don't carry it on. Gray is protesting no chicken in the bowl this morning. I'm so sorry, Gray. Don and I are donating blood this afternoon and at the Walmart in Fuquay. So after we donate blood, I will go in and get another chicken. I'm good for chicken 5, maybe 6 days a week. That 7th day is kind of hard to always have chicken. She'll eat in a minute after she's done protesting. Poor thing. It's around noon and we're out here for our walk. We gotta walk before we give blood today because, you know, after we give blood, we're supposed to take it easy. Don's hoping for that. Right?
Easy. I'm all for easy.
So you got your Alabama game today?
Yeah, it's going to start in a few minutes.
Okay, so by the time we're back from donating blood, you can lay down, rest, relax, and enjoy the game.
Yeah, something like that.
He's open.
Yeah.
So what is it? What is some sort of fruit? Show us the can.
It is a all natural, which gotta be good, right?
Mucho mango fruit juice cocktail.
It's not alcohol.
And there's 3 servings in it. It was 99 cents. It's 74 carbs.
3 times 23, so it's 69.
69, okay.
69. Well, I was doing quick math in my head a while ago. 69 grams of carbohydrates in this can.
Yeah, that's horrible. Horrible.
It's 3 times 24.
Okay.
72 grams of carbohydrate. The 69 was just the added sugars.
Okay. There were not too many people up at the park today, but we saw a few. I mean, it's 60 out here, but people's probably got plans tonight, and I don't know. The way we look at it is as if even if we were going to have plans, that was all the more reason to go for our normal walk. But it wasn't very crowded, and we tried to wash our hands today in the restroom, and both of the 2 up at South Park were closed. I guess they're considering it a holiday for city employees today. Although I would say that, you know, families coming to the park on a holiday day off is pretty likely. So I would prefer that they make the effort to get the bathrooms unlocked at sunrise and locked near sunset.
One of them.
Right. I don't know. Somebody from the town could have. I mean, what's it take? Let's just be generous and say it takes an hour to drive through all of the town park bathrooms, unlock them, check their condition. You know, I don't think we should do any deep cleaning today. Lock it back up if it's not passable, I guess, until the regular work day. But yeah, I'm having trouble seeing if there they are. Yeah. There's 3, and at least 1 was a buck.
Yeah.
Alright, I believe they have moved to safety. We now are officially turning off the MyQ settings of auto open and auto close. And there's probably unlink account. It just doesn't matter for right now. Because we're going out to give blood shortly, Don didn't feel the need to park Jules in the garage. He's pulling a Marianne and Ruby with Jules. Here's my buddy coming to see me. And there's Tux. He'll probably come over too if I sit down with Marty. Marty's waiting for me to sit. Aren't you, bud? I like Tux when he's sound asleep. That's always a good thing. So the guys are out here. They're going to cut this piece of polycarbonate so that the weapon can stick through, so that the cover for the robot can go on it. It was perfectly okay for testing purposes to not have the cover, but in competition that wouldn't work so good. I'm going to tell Jules to come to me because the guys are going to do stuff and I want to move Jules out of the way. Okay, come to me failed. Let's try it again. Is there too much stuff around, Jules? Jules is saying, nope, not coming to you, lady. She just keeps stopping. The guy's too close to her? Yeah. Well, how about just forward? But I really wanted her to turn and come to me. But I'll take forward. I hit stop. That's far enough. The new Dremel's unpacked. Don's got him set up with a little table outside and some safety gear, and he's going to practice on the old piece and then try to make the cut on the new piece. It started to rain, so I came inside and they're headed upstairs, and I don't want to make Johnny nervous, so they're going to cut, and I'm going to, I don't know, we've got like a little over an hour till we leave to go give blood. It's a good thing I've got my phone on me. Johnny needed into my car to grab the Tesla would like to find and connect to local devices on your network. I said, okay, that's not a message I've seen before. Maybe it's because my phone's currently on the Wi-Fi. I clicked summon for Jules. I was going to move Jules back a little bit. Okay, press and hold to engage smart summon. Maybe that's why come to me didn't work before. I thought I had that turned off, but you know, sorry. I'm like looking at three things. I'm just moving the car back. I didn't hold it though, but that might have been why come to me didn't work. I just thought just in case the Amazon guy come. It's fine, Jules, just back up. There's nothing behind you. Just in case the Amazon guy came. That's plenty far enough back. Hit the stop button. Good. I don't know if I've got time to finish bag 9, but it's going on 2 p.m. and I'm going to at least start bag 9. So bag 10, put this side on, finish the outside of the lighthouse there, and this little panel down here, and this panel over here. And you can see it's supposed to be a little wider toward the lower parts, and then as it goes up it gets a little narrower. So I'm done with that was bag 9. Next bag will be bag 10. Well, they put out really super cute Valentine's Day stuffed animals, but they don't have a chicken. So frustrating. Super frustrating. Well, I got a chicken, but it was an expensive chicken. Please, guys, get in. You know, the regular Tyson Sunday cooker. It's fine. They're hard to defrost, or I would buy them when they're on sale, but that really thick blob, that's a lot of work to get, you know, or time to get that defrosted. But I might have to consider when they go on sale buying a couple extra. That was rough. Today is not the day to be in the grocery store. Go. I want to see the train, Donnie. It's one of the special trains. It's not the regular train. It's one of the Centennial trains.
Over there?
Yeah. I don't know that exactly it's a Centennial train, but if we can pull in the parking lot and take a look at it, that would be nice.
Yeah, pretty cool here.
It's red for Christmas. Norfolk and Southern has these special painted trains, and I haven't seen a non-black train, but it's just RJ Corman. Oh, I'd be careful up here.
I am, sweetheart.
Well, no, I'm worried about nails. I understand. So RJ Corman Signaling LLC, maybe that implies we're going to be seeing that train on the track a lot more? Huh. I'm glad we're not out on the trail right now, but they insist this is going to end around 8 p.m. and let people enjoy being out in downtown Raleigh tonight. We won't be there. We will be at home, but some people may choose to be out in it. I am cooking dinner, and I'm gonna tinker with bag 10. I feel just a little out of it after giving blood, but sitting is good, and I've got to be in the kitchen anyway. I got the chicken going, I got bacon going, I've got our chicken, cheese stuffed chicken going, I've got everything going. I'm done with bag 11, and all of the outer, we'll call it armor, is on all the way up as high as it goes. Bag 11 is going to be the roof. This time it's chocolate ice cream. Let's see yours, Johnny. Oh my goodness. You and Mr. Dodd are trying to outdo each other. Wow. We may have brought home a few treats from the blood drive today.